Cincinnati City Council's stance on gender-affirming care for trans children is in stark contrast to a bill going through Ohio's State House. Councilmember Reggie Harris, who authored the resolution, says it's proactive against neighboring states that have travel restrictions or are considering them. Indiana's ban prevents providers from aiding and abetting a patient looking to travel across state lines for care.
We want to make sure that when they come to our city to receive world-class, #1 ranked care, that they also are protected for any future harmful legislation that may be coming down the pipeline.
Harris says that means if a state goes after a patient coming to Cincinnati, the city's legal team would take action to prevent having to assist in prosecuting the family.
What is the scope of what we can do to make sure that we are not wasting taxpayer dollars and resources on prohibiting folks from accessing gender-affirming health care?
The resolution was partly influenced by families who told Harris that they have been threatened for allowing their child access to trans health care. Nick Zingarelli's daughter is trans, and he's proud of how the city is responding to anti-trans legislation.
We want you here, that Cincinnati is a safe place, that Cincinnati can be your home. Don't pay attention to what they're doing in Columbus. Know that in Cincinnati, you're safe.
He's testified against House Bill 68 that would prevent kids from getting gender-affirming care despite their parents' consent.
And if for some reason we meet an obstacle in Ohio, then we will find care elsewhere. But she knows that she's going to get what she needs.
Cincinnati's stance on LGBTQ rights is one of the reasons Nick and his family moved to the area. The state Senate will vote on House Bill 68 after their summer break before it would get to Governor DeWine's desk. Paula?
House Bill 6 is another piece of legislation that is part of a gender-affirming care ban. It is known as the Save Women's Sports Act. It would prevent trans athletes from participating in women's sports. It passed out of a House committee but has not been taken to the House floor for a full vote.